Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before moving on the main topic today's presentation, I will introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Digi Agung Pratama, and my current major is English Literature at UIN Raden Masaid Surakarta. Next, we will discuss about analysis speech ads in movie Turning Red. Before that, I will briefly summarize what we will cover, which is regarding the structure found is ads line of the movie Turning Red. Okay, we're going to the first point, that is introduction. In introduction, language is vital in human life, allowing expression of thought and feeling through spoken, written, and signal form. It shapes social identities and influencing power dynamic within society. In the film Turning Red, produced by Pixar Animation Studio in 2022, explores Asian parenting styles through the story in the teenage girl navigating poverty and her relationship. Beatrice and James note that film can determine knowledge for positive social change, and Turning Red effectively employs various speech arts to illustrate complex familial and social communication. And the next is the theoretical framework. Linguistics focuses on the studying language with applied linguistics, dividing it into four primary skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and interrogating elements like grammar, vocabulary, and phonology. Effective communication depends on clear message exchange, but misunderstanding cannot disrupt this process. In English linguistics, speech arts are essential component studied under pragmatic, examining how language goes beyond literal meaning to incorporate speaker intention and listener assumption within social and cultural context. The next types of speech arts. The first is lectionary. Lectionary is involved the art of lettering words, focusing on phonetic and semantic aspect. The second, illusory arts, encompass communicate forces like promising of questioning, involving the intent behind an entrance. The third is perlocutory arts. Occur the speech affects reception emotionally or prompt action specific response. Okay, we going the next is additionally electionary arts categories. The fourth is directive. Invites listener before talk requests or comments. Representative reflects statement about truth or falsehood. Next, declarative bring about immediate change in status or reality. Commissive commitment to future action, expression verbal, expressive communicate the speaker emotional state. And the method we will using for this article is the study employs qualitative content analysis to examine illustrationary art in the film Turning Red, using speech as theory framework from Austin and Sherlock. Research collected data from the movie dialogue, transcribing and categorizing utterance into types such as word, phrases, clauses, or sentence. They followed a schematic process of identifying, classifying, and interpreting this art to describe their purpose within the film context. This approach aimed to exchange understanding of illusionary action and their significance in communication. The data analysis process involves the watching and transcribing the movie, qualifying and analyzing linguistic unit, evaluating the data in light of relevant speech as tones, validating findings using context validity, and comparing them to existing research. Thus, the method is a descriptive, qualitative content analysis that integrates linguistic theories and film analysis to interpret the speech as in turning right. Okay, we're going to the finding and discussion. Representative is a representative expresses someone belief that something is or false. And the next is directive. Directive is used to persuade the addressed to the something. The third is commissive. Commissive commit the speaker to some future action. The fourth is expressive. Expressive describes a person's emotional condition. And the last is declarative. Declarative refers to an act that occurs immediately. And the last is the conclusion. The conclusion research identifies 5 types of speech arts in the moving turning right: representative, directive, commissive, expressive, and declarative. Among these, expressive speech arts are the most common. The studies suggest the teacher can enhance students' pragmatic competence and communication skill by interpreting this speech as from movie into language lesson. This approach helps children learn to express belief, persuade, commit to action, conflict emotion, and respond appropriately in different situations. Further research can expand on this study, exploring other aspects of films beyond speech arts. Okay, I think that is for me and all of my presentation. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.